trademark infringement notices can be a serious concern for businesses and individuals alike. Whether you're selling products on eBay or running your own website, understanding how to respond to these notices is crucial. In this video, we'll explore the steps and strategies for effectively handling a trademark infringement notice. Trademark infringement occurs when someone uses a trademark without permission from the owner. A common first step in addressing this issue is sending a cease and desist letter. However, receiving such a letter doesn't automatically mean you're legally liable. It's essential to evaluate the validity of the trademark and your usage before taking action. If you receive a trademark infringement notice, follow these key steps. First, carefully review the claims made in the notice. Understand the specific allegations and identify the trademark in question. Next, seek legal counsel from an attorney specializing in intellectual property law. They can help you assess the validity of the claim and identify potential defenses. Evaluate the trademark's validity. Ensure it's actually registered and enforceable. A cease and desist letter based on an unregistered or weak trademark may not hold much legal weight. Assess your use of the trademark. Consider whether it falls under fair use, such as for descriptive purposes or comparative advertising. Determine the extent of the alleged infringement by analyzing how closely your product or service resembles the trademarked item. Now, let's look at some specific scenarios. If you receive a trademark infringement notice on eBay, swift action is crucial to avoid penalties. eBay uses the Verified Rights Owner program to handle intellectual property claims. If your listing is removed, you may be able to restore it if you own a federal trademark or if your sale is protected under the first sale doctrine. For website domain names, consider whether your domain is confusingly similar to the trademark, if you're selling similar products or services, and when you registered the domain. Your intent in registering the domain and whether your products differ from the trademarked ones are also important factors. When responding to a trademark infringement notice, avoid making false, misleading, or improper statements. Be truthful in your communications, as this will protect you if further legal action occurs. Consider settlement options, if appropriate, such as agreeing to stop using the trademarked term or paying a licensing fee. If settlement isn't possible and you believe the claim is unfounded, prepare for potential litigation. Your attorney can help build a strong defense based on fair use, non-infringement, or other legal arguments. To summarize, when facing a trademark infringement notice, don't ignore it. Understand the allegations, seek legal advice, and carefully consider your response options. Remember that trademark disputes can be complex and costly, so having a clear understanding of your position and legal options is vital to protect your business or personal interests.